Hi everyone, my name is Arjun Calacat, and I am the president of Association of Filipino Workers. And I'm here because I believe every workers deserve better. And my mission is simple: fair pay, safe workplace, and real respect. Right now, too many workers are stuck with low wages, long hours, and unfair treatment. And we can't ignore it. Even if I'm starting this alone, I know change begins with someone speaking up. I want to help push fair for policies and remind workers that they have a voice and that voice matters. So let's work toward the future where every worker is treated with fairness and dignity. Together, we can make it happen.